Two lungs, same genetics, but two completely different realities. Let's compare.
For Mr. City, every morning is a battle. The air is thick with invisible enemies.
While Mr. Country wakes up to a buffet of fresh, sweet oxygen. Pure bliss.
He has to dodge PM 2.5 dust particles like bullets. They are everywhere.
Here, the air isn't an enemy. It's a superfood for his cells.
Exhaust fumes for breakfast? That's the daily special in the city. Nature's spa. Hydrated, clean, and absolutely glowing.
The dust is sticky. It clogs the pores and doesn't wash off easily.
Trying to exercise in smog? It might do more harm than good. Crowded spaces, stale air. Viruses love this environment. Hello? Full lung capacity. Nothing holding him back.
Inside, the damage is real. Inflammation is building up silently.
Even the rain feels heavy and toxic here. Acid rain is no joke. But clean rain washes everything away. It's refreshing. Indoor pollution from carpets and printers. No escape even inside. Fresh food, fresh air. His immune system is bulletproof. That cough isn't a cold. It's his body trying to expel the poison. Construction dust adds another layer of danger every day.
Deep, restorative sleep. His cells are regenerating right now. In the city, even sleep is a struggle for oxygen.
He dreams of green. He craves a break.
That's it. Mr. City Lungs has had enough. Time for a detox. Leaving the smog behind. Watch the magic happen. Welcome to the green zone. Let's get you cleaned up. Just 24 hours of fresh air. The healing begins instantly.
No more coughing. No more tightness. Just freedom. Energy levels restored. This is how lungs are supposed to feel. Forest bathing. It lowers stress and boasts immunity. If you must go back to the city, protect yourself. Don't use cheap masks. Plant more trees. Bring the fresh air to your home. Your environment shapes your health. Choose wisely. Protect your lungs. Escape the smog whenever you can.